Dang it. Oh.
Hello.
Whoa, I didn't see you there.
Hold on. I'm not using the bathroom. I just play here for money. Hope you understand.
Why?
College is expensive, man. It cost me like $20 for an art pencil.
Well, I don't feel comfortable peeing while you watch.
It's okay. You won't even know I'm here.
But I will because you're playing the keyboard.
Trust me, I got this.
Whatever, I gotta go, so just play something.
If you say so. Yeah, she's an Xbox, I'm on Atari. Oh, that
Why are you playing that?
Yeah. Why? You had something else in mind?
I don't know, just something subtle.
Alright, you say so.
Alright, fuck this, I'm out of here.
Oh, come on! Wait, hold on. Aren't you gonna tip?
Whatever.
Huh. His loss.